Okay, it's been about 4 days since my weeks-long recovery from my wisdom teeth surgery, and I learned one thing. I am very delusional. Well, one, because I was sitting there high on Oxy, but two, I was looking at the Netflix's UI and I went, I could make that. All right, let's get started. We have one really small issue. Netflix, Amazon, Disney, they all have spent tens of years polishing their already existing TV UIs with thousands of designers and coders at the helm. I'm one interaction design student. And I got 2 months before Capstone. So we're not gonna try to do the most. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it remote responsive, and we're gonna include all of other people's capstones to like make it cool. So, how are we even gonna get started? I've never built a TV UI in my life. That's not good. But someone already has, somewhere, so we're gonna steal from them. That sounds bad. We're gonna use our resources and we're gonna learn. That's better. Anyways, ProtoPie has a already existing TVUI masterclass. This guy. We're gonna just do what it does. That sounds weird. We're gonna TVUI masterclass. I'm gonna follow the steps and we're gonna make something. Montage time.
I'll show you how to fabricate a familiar navigation model for TVUI, which is used by virtually every popular over-the-top streaming provider, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and countless others.
Okay, we've got a lot done. Quick aside, Jeff, I fucking love Jeff. Dude, he has taught me everything I know. I mean, everything. Thank you. Anyways. Dude, that guy was about to tell you some dumb coding, prototyping stuff. Ew, gross. Okay, let me save you the trouble. Psych. We start off by taking our designs from Figma and bring them into ProtoPie. Once we started there, we made a scalable grid layout system and navigation model made up of highly functional and responsive nested components. Then we built a program detail screen that mimics the behavior of Figma's auto layout in order to adapt to the differences in content. That content will only be provided when we set up our own media server to provide our own API integration to provide that dynamic content. Then we also built a fully functional video player, complete with common media playback controls such as play and pause and skip and forward and back and multi-speed fast forward and rewind and a thumbnail preview display that scrubs while you go through the video. And the best of literally all of it is that it's a completely data-driven design. So that means this finished prototype is super lightweight. It is literally just a collection of templates. So the data feed will provide all of our program metadata, images, videos, and text from an external media server. It's so cool. Hello. We have a working TV UI. Look at that. That took a long time, and I'm very proud of it. But I want to do a little bit more, mostly because I stole it. I mean, I did learn and I did put in the hours, but I kind of stole it. I don't want it to look exactly like this for Capstone, because that'd be a little lame. So my thought was I kind of wanted to add a Netflix-style featured home video to integrate people into the idea that these are all Capstone videos, which will probably be a little bit harder than just following a tutorial because I won't have one. But we'll see how that goes. So I did the stupid little snap thing. It's been a week and it's 1 a.m. but I think I finally got it working. And look at that. Look at that. This is currently the old year's design show, but I'm hoping that when the design show for this year is done, I'll put it in for this one, and that could be the featured section. But it works, you can move buttons, and then you would slide down into the main section where you would find all of the people's capstones or projects that they've done. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get it to be integrated with the remote, which is probably the last thing I can do without actually have to like get everyone else's capstone work, which I think is pretty achievable to do by myself. So we're gonna do that next. Okay, so now you may be thinking, how are you gonna even connect a remote to your prototype? You didn't even know how to make a TV UI. And you're right, I didn't, but I've been keeping a secret from you. the Flirk. Apparently it's a really cool tool. I haven't actually used it yet, but I do have it that can take the infrared signals of a remote and then assign them to the keybinds on your keyboard. So those arrows that I was clicking earlier to move my prototype around, this should hopefully translate this into the prototype. I don't actually know if it works yet, but we're gonna give it a go. Okay, so future Kobe here, I'm saving you from that. It was really boring. I learned how to sync the Flirk to the remote, but does it work, does it not? Who's to really know? I don't know. Anyways, bye. Guess there's only one real way to figure out if it worked. Right, left, right, down, across, back, up, around. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, holy. I feel like I'm just like using a I mean, I know that's the point, but it feels like I'm just using a TV. Oh, there's a video. Oh, look at that. Play, pause, play, pause. Go back again. Oh, whoa. All of those people just duplicated and oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna have to fix that, but the remote's working, which that's really cool. I don't know what I'm doing wrong there, but we'll figure that one out. For now, this works, so that's cool. New location just dropped, the IXD studio. We have 3 weeks left in the quarter, and for the last 4 weeks I've been doing no work on this project because I've been working on other projects. My second capstone hidden kitchen, we just did the Dempsey startup competition. I also just did a design hackathon over the weekend, and then I've also been working on ARCA, which is my design research group I'm in, working on the mobile prototype for our exhibition. So I've done a lot, just not for this. Tomorrow I need to present to some of the seniors to hopefully convince them to actually give me all of their videos. Somehow on the same day I have to be part of the social media team and do a Hot Ones challenge. 3 weeks left. Let's get shit done.
1 day later.
Hello. Bad news and good news. Mostly bad news, unfortunately. Today is May 27th, and on May 31st was the last day that I asked for seniors to submit all of their videos and capstone videos so I could display them and I could configure all of them for the exhibition. Problem is, most of the seniors are also stressed out, like I am, trying to finish up all of the work. So most of their videos aren't done. So currently, I don't have any videos from any of the seniors, which not their fault. I am not blaming them. We are all basically just working our butts off trying to finish everything. Problem is though, is that they are not done, which means they can't give me their videos, which means I can't start putting their videos in, which means I don't have the time to go through and debug everything if things are even wrong. The only good news is I've been worried about this for a couple days now, so at least I got some content, not from the seniors, but I collected some videos from YouTubers and YouTube videos that inspired this video, so I've collected all of that, I have put it together, I've done some debugging, everything works for that. So basically there's a good chance that we don't get a lot of videos, which kind of sucks, but we will figure it out. About that. Do you remember 1 minute ago where I showed that June 5th was the big date that we need to hit? We have 4 minutes until June 5th. But luckily, in between that time, I've actually got some stuff done. I know, crazy, I've worked on my own capstone project. Though I was slightly incompetent and I didn't record any videos, but we can do a quick reenactment of what my day looked like yesterday. Let's go. I forgot to record videos for the last 2 days, so this is what we got. Give me a goddamn break. Oh wait, oh look, is that the poster? Oh my god, alright. Anyways, I've been so busy the last 2 days that I literally didn't leave the studio. Yes, I slept right there overnight in the studio. Shame on me, but that's okay. Anyways, the last 2 days I've been running up and down these halls. Yes, this stairwell. Look, so fast. And in the meantime, I've been getting like, oh my god, the bars are coming down. It was getting faster. Shoot, okay. I debugged the home video to reroute to the exact video. I polished up the UI. People finally turned in their submissions, so I finally could update their videos. Last but not least, we also set up an actual TV in the exhibition for the TVUI. Yes, I know that Spotify, that's not my TV, but give me a goddamn break, I wasn't ready. I finished it. Look, it's done. Oh my god, that's crazy. I know. I need to show you. It's so cool. Okay, so here's the setup. What we have is computer, because computer turns on everything. Over here we have these wires. Ooh, look, it's aux cord. What it actually does, runs through double splitter, splits into these guys. So look, oh my god, I listen and I can hear what's going on the TV. Cool, okay, down there's that. Over here, we have these cords. What do? You might be asking. One of them is an HDMI cord. It's just a TV, it's a second monitor, what's displaying right here. Secondly, we have this guy, goes all the way up here, is the Flirk, the little remote guy. This thing, like we talked about earlier, whee! And then back here we have power cord, so the computer runs. Then I added this little weird guy so that I can close it shut. So now all we have to do, close it shut, move everything up. Big and strong guy over here. And look, TV. Let's go. We made it. Oh my god, I made it too. Look, I made a TV. It works. It's working. I mean, I kind of lied. I didn't build the TV, but I built the TV. Like the thing we're using. Look, I can go down. Wait, is that the video we're gonna watch right now? Is that me? Is this gonna be Inception? I think it is. That's me. That's you. You're watching this right now. What? But I know it works because if I go back, look, we're on the exit screen. Go back one more, now we're on the home screen. Go back one again, now we go up, we're at the design video. It works. It works. I know most people are going to be here for the UW design show. It's upside down. Maybe flip me in the edit. Okay. But if you can't see it in person, you get to see it now in the video. You're going to miss out on this, seeing it live in person, getting to watch all the other people's videos. But you get to see this, which is cool. I hope this is a pretty good archive of all the work I put in for this. It's been a lot of effort. Hopefully it's paid off somewhat. Yeah, I built a TV. Again, very much a lie, but